Yeah, we are live. Amazing. Marcus Body Coding Live. No Footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, cross basic 4. See for yourself and let's do it afterwards. No excuses. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Again. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Let's switch the cameras. Let's do it on the grass, on the floor, wherever we are. We can start with the left or with the right. Pretty simple. We step outside, switching the weight, and then cross to the back. Step to the side, switching the weight and cross to the back. Step to the side, cross to the back. Step to the side, cross to the back. Step to the side, cross to the back. Careful. Let's do it again. We can start with the right or with the left. Now we start with the right. We open, transfer the weight and cross to the back. We open, transfer the weight and cross to the back. Open and cross. Open and cross. Last time. Open and cross. Open and cross. Yes. Amazing or not amazing? Yeah, that's a very basic move, but it's very, very, very common and you can use it. Remember, this is Marcus Body Coding Live. Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves. I remind you, because you can use these moves in any style of dance. Hip hop, bachata, salsa. By the way, on 1 or on 2, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing or not amazing? You can use that also in Zumba, Kizomba, whatever style you want. Remember, universal moves. Wait. You still here? You still amazing. Let's do another exercise, another practice. I think you might be the serious student, the one who always want to do an extra practice. Remember, the serious students get serious results. Make sense or make sense? I know, for me it makes sense. Either way, now imagine yourself staring in the mirror, yeah? Yeah, staring in the mirror, checking your... and practicing. Remember, we are practicing here. Let's do it, face to face, let's go. We start with the left. We open, we cross to the back with the right. Open, cross to the back. Open, cross to the back. Open, cross to the back. Again, with the count. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again, 1, 3, 5, 7. It can be also 1, 3, and 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. Amazing or not amazing? You decide. Whoa, so many people joined this live session. I'm feeling very humbled for you that you joined me in this amazing day in Bangkok. So since you stayed till now, I'll tell you a secret. Are you ready? Yeah, a secret. Amazing secret. This move, the name of this move is Cross Basic 4. And you can practice with me that move in the studio with me for free today, anytime you want. How can you do that? I'll put a link, link for YouTube full tutorial. I can put the link above, to the sides below, or wherever it might be. Check the link and meet me in the studio. Wait, but what do you care? You have this video, right? So no excuses. Use this video, put the replay, practice again, and do that in today's party. Whatever party it might be, because remember, universal moves. You can use that hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, samba, rumba, whatever you want. But you might be asking, if I forget the move, what happens if you forget the move? You have it on your phone, right? No excuses. So let's say you're in the party, dancing, having fun. Something like that. Then you want to do the move and you forgot. Go to the corner, get the phone, practice with me. Yeah. And go back to the party, all confident, and do the move. Amazing or not amazing? So do that today, in today's party. Why today? Because tomorrow there's a new Footwork. Marcus Body Coding Live. New Footwork every day. So meet you tomorrow or meet you tomorrow. You decide. Let's meet tomorrow.